Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 series, power meets innovation. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to unveil Samsung's latest tablets, the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and Tab S10 Ultra. With cutting-edge technology and sleek designs, these tablets promise to elevate your mobile experience. Unfortunately, the vanilla 11 model is gone, but the new 12.4 Plus and 14.6 Ultra are packed with features that make up for it. Performance boost: both tablets are powered by the new MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. We'll explore how this chip compares to last year's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, including speed and efficiency improvements, display and design. The Tab S10 Ultra boasts a stunning 14.6 OLED display, while the Plus model features a 12.4 OLED screen. We'll discuss their resolutions, refresh rates, and how they enhance your viewing experience. Camera innovations: with dual 12MP cameras on the Ultra and a single 12MP on the Plus, we'll dive into their capabilities for both photography and video calls. Battery life: the tablets feature large batteries, 11,200 mAh for Ultra and 10,090 mAh for Plus, and support for 45W fast charging. We'll test how long they last under various usage scenarios. AI features: discover the new Galaxy AI functionalities and how the S Pen and keyboard cover can enhance your productivity. What are you most excited about in the Galaxy Tab S10 series? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and hit the notification bell to stay updated. What features do you find most appealing in the new Galaxy Tabs? Share your thoughts.